Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Google account has Gemini access. Sign in and enable the feature. Next, pick a focused photo set, 10 to 50 images that represent the trend you want. Once done, tell Gemini the style and era you want to emphasize, and select output dimensions like 16:9 or square. This gets you immediate feedback. Make sure the images are varied enough so Gemini can detect patterns, and start the generation process without delay. You now refine prompts with layered instructions. State the subject, mood, color palette, and preferred lighting. Keep them concise so Gemini focuses. Then adjust technical controls like sampling and guidance scale to shift creativity versus fidelity. Raise scale for precise matches, lower it for more novelty. Once you generate images, study intermediate outputs carefully, tag the versions you like, and run targeted variations on those. This iterative approach lets Gemini converge on the trend visual, while you guide why each change mattered. You finish by exporting the best images. Choose PNG for maximum quality or JPG for smaller files and fast uploads. Then prepare a small test batch for social media, craft captions, and a /B test thumbnails to see which trend hooks viewers. If the results drift or feel inconsistent, rebalance prompt specificity and replace or add training images that reinforce the desired pattern. One troubleshooting tip: when outputs go off-trend, reduce novelty settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.